if there was a simple cake recipe that did not use a measuring cup? It used a yogurt container as the measuring cup. In fact, this is an older recipe from France called French yogurt cake. It's so simple because you can keep the formula in your head. 1 container each of yogurt and vegetable oil, 2 containers of sugar, 3 containers of flour, 4 eggs, some baking powder and salt. So it's really a 1, 2, 3, 4 cake. So we start with the yogurt. You can use flavored yogurt if you like, but it's 4 ounces of yogurt. We prefer whole milk yogurt, but you can use low fat. Sometimes it's hard to find whole milk in a small size. This is an oil-based cake, so there's ingredient number 2. 4 eggs, and we'll mix up the liquid ingredients first. 2 4-ounce containers, yogurt containers of sugar. 3 containers of flour. A tablespoon of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of salt. Good to go. You obviously want to combine everything, but you don't want to overwork it. Basic loaf pan, we prefer lighter color because they don't absorb heat as much. Butter and flour, or just use a baking spray is fine. 350 oven for 45 to 50 minutes. If you have a larger container, exactly the same recipe, and you'll end up with a springform pan. So you could be at someone's house, let's say on the weekend, and you wouldn't need a recipe. You could just throw together this cake and flavor it any way you like.